Hello everyone. Welcome to the Knowledge and Politics, the channel where we discuss politics, governance, public awareness and the issue that shape our nation. Let me ask you a simple question. Did you know that with just rupees 10 you can legally ask any government department to provide official information? Yes, you hear that right. Whether it's about road construction, government's requirements, public funds, bus service, or any government project, the law gives every Indian citizen the right to access government records. Unfortunately, most people either don't know about this right to or don't know how to use it correctly. In today's video, I'll explain everything about the Right to Information Act RTI, how it works, how to file an RTI, and the biggest mistakes people make while using it. So watch this video till the end because I also share a professionally RTI strategy that can completely change the way you seek information from government departments. Let's begin. What is the RTI? RTI stands for Right to Information. It is one of the most powerful law available to every Indian citizen. The RTI to Information Act was passed by the Parliament of India in 2005 to promote transparency and accountability in a government offices. Before this, law getting information from government departments was extremely difficult. People had no ideas where public money was being spent or how government decisions were made. RTI changed that forever. Today, every Indian citizen has the legal right to request officially government records. But remember one important thing: RTI is not meant to ask questions based on opinion. RTI is meant to ask for official documents, records, reports, and certified copies. That is biggest difference most people don't understand. What information can you get? Using RTI, you can request information such as road construction, estimates, tender, documents, work orders, governments, and expansion records, panchayat developments, funds, school and hospitality records, requirements, related documents, government bus schedules, RTO record, municipal corporations, expense, and many other official record maintained by public authority. If the information exists as a government record, there is a good chance you can obtain it through RTI. The biggest mistake people make, this is where most people make a serious mistake. They write something like, why was this road not constructed? This is not the correct way. Instead, ask for the documents. For example, please provide me certified copies of the administrative approvals, technically sections, estimates copy, work order, measurement books, quality inspection reports, final bid, and completion certificate related to this road construction projects. Now the offer is required to provide officially record if they are available. This is how expressed RTI use draft their applications. Where RTI cannot be used, RTI is powerful, but it also has a certain legal limits. You generally cannot obtain information related to national securities, military secrets, and certain ongoing investigation, personal information of individual, unless a large public interest is involved. Knowing these limits help you file stronger and legally valid RTI applications. How to file an RTI? Filling an RTI is a simple. First, identify the correct government department. Write your application clearly, address it to the Public Information Officer, also known as the PIO. Pay the prescribed application fees, usually 10 rupees. Keep a copy of your application for your record. In most cases, the department must respond with 30 days. Professionally, RTI strategy. Here is a strategy that very few people know. Never ask, why did this happen? Instead, ask for the document that explain how the discussion was made. A request documents such as administrative approvals, technically sections, estimates copy, tenders copy, work orders, measurements, books, or inspection reports, final bill, completion certificate. These documents often reveal the complete story behind a government projects. This is how journalists, research and experienced RTI activists uncover facts. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge and Politics. Comment and RTI below you are like me to make a complete setup by setup tutorial how to draft a professional RTI applications. In the next video, I'll show you how to write an RTI that is legally strong and difficulty for any departments to ignore. Remember, knowledge creates awareness and awareness. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.